If creating an online course feels harder than actually teaching the subject, this Black Friday deal might save your sanity. Seriously, click the link in the description below to grab Ruzuku's Black Friday special before it disappears faster than your motivation on a Monday morning. Look, we've all been there. You're an expert at what you do, you could teach your subject in your sleep, but the moment someone mentions building an online course platform, you suddenly feel like you need a computer science degree. You spend more time wrestling with technology than actually creating content, and before you know it, 6 months have passed and your course is still just a really expensive idea. Enter Ruzuku, the platform that lives up to its tagline of ridiculously easy online course creation. And I mean ridiculously easy. We're talking drag and drop simple, no coding required, your grandmother could figure it out easy. Here's what makes Ruzuku different. First, you get unlimited courses and webinars. That's right, unlimited. Want to test 5 different versions of your course? Go for it. Want to run weekly webinars? Knock yourself out. Second, they've got this visual editor that actually makes sense. Upload your videos, add your PDFs, create quizzes, all without pulling your hair out. But here's the real game changer. Community features that actually work. Your students can discuss, engage, and build relationships, which means they stick around longer and actually complete your courses. Plus, Ruzuku integrates with all the payment and email tools you're already using. One customer said, "What I like most about Ruzuku is its combination of simplicity and flexibility, and honestly, that sums it up perfectly." Another mentioned their super-friendly, helpful customer support, which is basically like having a tech-savvy friend on speed dial. Whether you're a coach, educator, author, or just someone with knowledge worth sharing, this Black Friday deal is your chance to finally launch that course without the technical headaches. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Click that link in the description and get started with Ruzuku today.